is a high protein berry smoothie. We have a handful of blackberries, a handful of raspberries, 7 strawberries. We have some plain yogurt, some Greek yogurt, some collagen peptides, and some whey protein. Also, we have some organic almond milk. You can use water, you can use any milk that you like. I'm also going to use some peanut butter, some oatmeal, and some creatine for extra muscle mass. Some ice cubes, starting with the blender. Throw in your strawberries, your raspberries, and your blackberries. I'm going to use some organic almond milk. Mind you, you can use water, you can use regular milk, any milk that you would like for your base. I usually use water, but today I'm going to use almond milk. Now I'm going to add some peanut butter because it is high protein, and I want this milkshake to be super high in protein for when I work out, because I'm trying to build muscle. I'm trying to build my booty. Just like the almond milk is high in protein. Oatmeal is not too high protein, but I'm going to add it because it does have a little bit of protein in there. So just make sure that you blend in everything really well. Once you're done blending, then you're going to add all of your powders. So the next powder that I'm going to add is going to be my creatine. Creatine is really good to build muscle and to give you energy. So I'm going to put in 2.5 tablespoons of the creatine. Okay, now that I'm done here with the creatine, I'm going to add the collagen peptides. I really love collagen peptides. It's so good for your skin, your hair, your bones. It's good for joint support. I love how it keeps my nails nice and strong, my skin looking nice and glowy. This is pretty much part of my beauty regimen, my everyday beauty regimen. I put it in almost all my foods. Now I'm going to add my whey protein. This has 30 grams. I'm only going to put half a scoop. This whey muscle builder also has a little bit of creatine, and it's also vanilla cream. Tastes really good. So I'm adding some ice cubes as well, so it can be nice and cold and icy when I put it in the blender. When I blend it together, it's going to taste like frozen drink or something. It's going to be so delicious. Okay, now for extra protein, I'm going to add some plain Greek yogurt. I'm only going to add 2 spoons of this. Let me know how you guys make your smoothies for your pre and post workouts. Time to blend everything again, and it's going to be the final blending right before you drink up. This is going to be really good. Very tasty, very yummy, very nutritious, very high protein. If you made it this far into the video, drop a comment. Let me know what you think about this recipe. And I hope you get to try it. Enjoy. See you next time. Bye.